Hello guys, today I will teach you step by step how to find a real person from the Google support team to solve your payment issue with Google Adsense so you can get paid. If you are a passionate YouTuber who has spent countless time on your YouTube channel and finally reached the threshold and start earning money, you might find your revenue is not being paid simply because some strange error happens while you try to add the payment method. You might be overwhelmed by the massive help information on Google AdSense but still not get any useful solution. Any attempts to reach out to the customer team will end up direct you to some community post which isn't really helping. You scratch your head and wondering why there's no one from the Google support team who can really listen to your specific problem and solve it for you. If you have similar frustration like myself, you are in luck. After many hours of research, I eventually find a way guaranteed works to instantly get the real support team online from Google and solve the payment issue so you can finally get paid. If you find this is useful, please like this video and subscribe the channel so this video can be found by more people who has the same struggle to get paid. Now without further ado, let's get into it. So as you can see, here's my Google AdSense payment page. So the original problem is when I try to add the primary payment method like so. So I'm located in Australia, so the only option I had is just to add a bank account, alright? So but when I input the correct information, when I click save, it always ends up showing this kind of the error message code. We could not complete this action, try a different verification payment method or contact us with an error code like such. But then what happened is that I try to use all the built-in help, like this feedback doesn't really help because this is simply to do with the feedback of the this website itself. And here with the help button, all the pages direct you to the community center where it has a lot of the irrelevant information. So the way to actually solve this problem is by having a completely different website so you can really find someone online to help you out. So I put it in here. This is https://support.google.com/pay because we have the payment problem /get help. So this is the only correct link that you can actually find someone from the Google support team online to help you out. Alright, so if I just back to the browser and open a new page like so. So again, put this link. I'll put this link in the description below. So here we have contact us. Any question to do with the Google Pay, you can get help from here. So in this case, I just simply type cannot get payment, but if you have any other different issues, you can type a different information. But then here, I normally just choose other because the idea is to instead of get help from the online article, we really need someone online to help us. So it doesn't matter which option we choose. So we click the next step. And then next step, and then magically you can see you actually have an option called chat, less than 1 minute. All right, so this is exactly what we need. Often I find within here, I think you can just put your full name, and in this specific case, I choose Google Pay, although it's actually not an app. And then you just simply input your specific problem. I'll just put I cannot add my payment method, right, as a title, and then click submit. And then someone will actually show up here online and trying to understand what is the exactly problem, like so. And then they will kind of investigate at the background. In my specific case, they said there's something wrong with their backend. So there's nothing we as a user can do. So they went back and consult the supporting team themselves. And then after 48 hours, it simply gets solved magically. So there you have it, the rather simple solution where you can find someone online to help you out with the payment issue that most likely will get resolved because they get access to the Google backend system to investigate further. Again, I hope you find this video useful. Please consider click the like button so this video can reach to more people who need similar help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.